Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad candy. Start by gathering fresh fruit, candy coating, a candy thermometer, skewers, and parchment paper. Wash and dry fruit, then cut larger pieces into bite-sized cubes or slices for even coating. Line a baking tray and place it in the fridge to chill. Measure your sugar and liquid precisely and preheat a small saucepan for the syrup stage. Combine sugar, water, and a splash of corn syrup in a saucepan and stir until dissolved. Clip a candy thermometer to the pan and bring syrup to the recommended temperature for a hard shell. Remove from heat and add flavoring or color if desired, then let the mixture settle briefly. Work quickly when dipping fruit to get an even coat and to prevent the syrup from setting before shaping. Dip each prepared fruit piece into the warm candy coating and rotate to cover evenly, using a fork or skewer to lift it out. Tap gently to remove excess coating and transfer the piece to the chilled parchment-lined tray to set. Work in small batches so syrup stays at the right temperature, and trim any strings with a paring knife if needed. Store finished fruit salad candy in a cool airtight container for best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.